Hi, my name is Brian McCullough with the Standard Pour in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect beer margarita with a Mexican beer. You can use either Tecate, Corona, Dos Equis, whatever your favorite would be. Today we're going to use Tecate. First thing you want to do is we're going to rim our glass with some salt. Dust it off one good time. Then we're going to add some ice. Now the reason you're doing this in this order is that when using beer in a cocktail, it can foam up and it can overpour itself, and once it touches the salt, it'll foam up. So to prevent that from happening, we're going to add the beer first. Not too much. Then we're going to add our tequila, which standardly will be 2 ounces. Silver tequila. Then we're going to do an ounce of Cointreau. Fresh lime juice, always use fresh lime juice. And also for this, I'm going to give it 2 dashes of celery bitters. Celery and beer, lime juice is perfect together. We're going to give this a good shake. Now we strain it. Now we can add a little bit more beer since we know where our levels are at. A nice lime wheel right on top, and a straw if you prefer. And there you have it, the perfect Tecate beer margarita. Thanks for watching.